A builder's home left in ruins. Daoud Daras was a simple man trying to live a quiet life. Worked in Israel, lived in a refugee camp, never political.
I find it funny how reliant the Israeli government is upon Palestinian workers, as the restrictions on Palestinians coming into Israel, the construction has dropped because the Israeli government relies heavily upon Palestinians to do construction, and I'm not surprised if, come to find out, they underpay them.
In August, 2 weeks before he killed an Israeli soldier at a checkpoint, guards beat him and left him disfigured. His brother said Daoud snapped.
تعرض